Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to shut down your computer using command prompt. In Windows operating systems, the command prompt is a program that emulates the input field in a text-based user interface screen with the Windows Graphical User Interface GUI. It can be used to execute entered commands and perform advanced administrative functions. Command prompt can perform a wide variety of operations onto your computer provided that you have the technical knowledge on how its capacity and capabilities are. One of the function is that it can shut down your computer, and here is how you can do it. Click on the Start menu to open up the search box. Type in command prompt and click on it once you found it. After that, write in the following codes you are seeing on your screen and press enter once you finish. Wait for 1 minute, then your computer will shut down. Be sure to save any projects you were doing in order not to lose any important data you were working on. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.